Hey KonnectzIT family, welcome to KonnectzIT training videos. Today in this video, I'll be showing you how you can actually use text splitter inside KonnectzIT. So basically, it is an internal app which is built inside KonnectzIT. So you can actually make use of text splitter and build a robust automation workflow. So let's get started. So I already have webhook connected. So basically I'm just receiving a data from my webhook. So basically it gives me the email ID and the full name. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to split the text that is full name into first name and the last name. So that is one part I'm going to do. And the other thing is I'm going to fetch the domain name from the email ID which I'm receiving and store this record inside Google Sheet. So I already have this email and full name. So now I will use text splitter. So basically I'll just select the text splitter. It is an internal app inside KonnectzIT. So you will find the same here. So just drag and drop text splitter. So in this use case I'll be showing you connecting the full name. So I'm gonna select the event as split text and then select I need all the data. So here I need even the first name and the last name. So I'm gonna select, so based on the segment I'll just select all and select the full name and text. I'll just give the space, so this will automatically, based on the space, it will going to split the text. So and click on generate. So this will give us a result on the plus icon, that is on additional attribute as usual as KonnectzIT, how you will be filling. So just click on that and in the result column you will see the first name and the last name. So just select and you can use the same for your further automation. So this is how you can split between the first name and the last name. So whenever you get a result, so there's no limit for the number of text you are selecting. So basically it, so in this use case I just need first name and last name, so I just created. Even you can split between spaces for the long text as well. So there are multiple ways you can do that. So now I will show you one more example that how you can actually split and get a domain name from your email ID. So I'm gonna do that. So I'll use the text splitter again. I'll just drag and drop the text splitter, choose the event as split text. So in this case, so I just only need the domain name, so that will be in the last. So I'll just select, it will be segment index as last, so that, or else you can select as second as well, because it comes after the at the rate symbol. So I'm going to select the segment index as last and then split between. So I'm just select the text, so that is my email id. So and the separator is here, it will be the at the rate symbol. So I'm gonna select whatever it comes after the at the rate symbol. Even you can get this, you can split the name before that as well by selecting all. So in this case I just only need the domain name. So what I do is I'll just select the separator as at the rate, and whatever comes after at the rate, so it will be given to me. So I'll click on generate. So again in the additional attributes you will be having the result. So you can see here, so the result will be the domain name, that is KonnectzIT.com. So now I have the domain name, first name and the last name. So I will store the same thing to my Google Sheet. So this is my Google Sheet. So first name, last name, email and the website. So I'm gonna do that. So I'll just select Google Sheet here. So I'll select the Google Sheet and select the event as create spreadsheet row. Choose my spreadsheet. So it asks me for first name, last name and the domain name. So I'll just give accordingly first name, the last name and email which I received from the form, and the website that which I generated from text splitter. So now I will hit on test and review. So this will going to generate, add the record inside Google Sheet. So you can see this. So the name, first name, last name is splitted, and also we got a domain name over here splitted from my from our email id. So hope you guys like this demo and the use of text splitter. So all KonnectzIT internal apps gives a robust features, so you can use it for your workflow automation. Hope you guys like this video. If you have any doubts on this particular text splitter inbuilt app, so do let us know on the comment section below, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.